In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and view your Shopify store as a customer using incognito mode for optimal privacy and accuracy. This is a handy technique if you're looking to observe your store's layout and functionality just as a new visitor would see it, without any interruptions or admin tools getting in the way. First things first, you'll want to ensure you have the correct setup to begin. Open up your favorite web browser and go directly to Shopify. Shopify is a robust platform that's widely used for creating and managing e-commerce sites, so we're starting off strong by accessing its main page. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account so you can easily maneuver to the next steps. But don't worry if this is your first time. You just need a Shopify account and you're good to go. Now that you're on Shopify, it's time to find your way to the online store section. This is where all the magic happens. Within your Shopify dashboard, look on the left-hand menu to find Online Store. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu of options related to your store's appearance and settings. But for now, we're just interested in viewing the completed version of your site. So go ahead and click on Online Store, and then select View to bring up the front end of your website. Here's where a useful little workaround comes into play. When you're viewing your site from the admin dashboard side, you might notice that Shopify sometimes adds a convenient, yet a potentially distracting toolbar at the bottom. It offers quick navigation back to the admin panel, which is fantastic for making on-the-fly edits, but not so helpful when you want to see your site exactly as your customers will. To get an unadulterated view, you'll want to navigate to that admin toolbar and copy the website link displayed there. Once you've done that, open up a new incognito window in your browser. This mode is particularly useful because it prevents any cached data or cookies from affecting what you see, ensuring your view is precisely what an actual visitor would experience. Paste the link into the incognito window's address bar and hit enter. Voila! You're now looking at your Shopify store precisely as a customer would. This clean perspective is invaluable for evaluating everything from design consistency to user navigation and even page load times. By taking these steps, you can spot any potential issues and appreciate the shopping journey through your customer's eyes. And there you have it. Simple yet effective, isn't it? When you're satisfied with your inspection, you can simply close the incognito window and continue with any necessary adjustments back in your Shopify dashboard. That's a wrap on today's guide, and as always, happy selling.